Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy when I'm back again with another video. So it is currently day 14 of the active April video challenge, right? So it's currently Monday, April 14th, 2025. So today's video is gonna be a little different, right? It's gonna be a little mixed in because I'm trying something out. So the topic of today's video is when it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours, right? And also how trading is sort of similar to the weather, right? I was thinking about this earlier today, and especially I was in the shower. I'm like, wow, like the weather is kind of similar to trading. It's an analogy, right? So I'm gonna break this down. But first of all, let's get on the charts. I'm gonna show you what happened today in the markets, and then afterwards, I'm gonna tell you guys why I think trading is like rain. All right, YouTube. So let's get on the charts. We're gonna get back to the video in a little bit, but I'm gonna show you this trade that I took today, and we lost the trade. Get out of here. All right, cool. So we lost this trade. This was a terrible loss. Actually, I'm okay with this loss. All right, cool. So coming to the market this morning, right? First, let me just this off. All right, cool. So coming to the market, the weekly is bearish. Daily is also bearish. 4 hour, we're bullish. Well, actually, no. 4 hour, we're still bearish, but we're pushing to the upside. So coming to the market this morning, I'm seeing the push to the upside. Now, theoretically, I should be looking to sell, but the reason I was looking to buy is because of gold. If you go on gold on a higher time frame, gold is bullish, as always. I don't know why you keep doing it, but gold is just bullish. So coming to the market, I was looking to buy on gold. Okay, cool. Now, the thing with gold is, let me show you. Gold never gave me like a clear setup to buy at all. Yeah, let's go down to a lower time frame. Price had a big push to the downside. I was waiting for an order block to be formed, which it did right here. But it pushed up. By this time, it's already like 8. The price never put by this order block, so I wasn't looking to buy anymore. But while this push happened on gold, it also happened on silver. Now, guess what? Silver had given me a beautiful order block. So, coming to the market, I see this order block right here, and I see this order block right here. So now I'm like, okay, cool. Now I'm gonna wait for the lower time frame shift of structure. Go to the downside. Obviously, price broke through there. Did this right here. Push to the upside. Now I go down to a 1 minute and a 3 minute. Price shift above the 1 minute like that. I waited for like a slight retracement just to, wick down this previous structure. And then I waited for that break above again. So look at this. Give me that break above. Cool. Got that break right there. Took the trade. Put my stop loss right below here, which I should have put down here, but I put it right there. And then my target was so my target was a previous London session high, but there's this fair value gap right here that price could fill in. So I was like, okay, cool. That's my TP right there. And as you can tell, we're flowing, we're in profit. So I'm like, okay, cool. It is what it is, right? I don't get emotional anymore when I take trades. I just put my stop loss, put my take profit, and let the trade do its thing. I don't get emotional. Yes, it hurts when I lose, but I'm okay with the risk. So it is what it is. Did that. We're in profit, and then price started doing this thing. I didn't get right here, and then we're in profit again. So I'm like, oh man. And then obviously this happened. I wasn't on the charts when this happened. So it is what it is. We got stopped out, and we ended up losing this trade. There was nothing really bad with this trade. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This was a good trade. I would take this trade again. The only thing is I was looking to take a sell on USD CAD. Now USD CAD, if I'm taking a sell on USD CAD, that means CAD is getting stronger and the dollar is getting weaker. If I'm taking a buy on silver, that means silver is getting stronger, US dollar is getting weaker. So if silver is going up, which means the US dollar is getting weaker, then CAD will be going down because the US dollars will be getting weaker. Obviously that didn't happen on CAD, but it happened on USD JPY, which gave a beautiful setup. But again, I'm not on this chart at this time, so we didn't take this trade. Overall, pretty good trade. I'm gonna reanalyze this in a little bit and just figure out how I could have done better, how I could have prevented this loss. I guess the only way I see so far is I could not have taken a trade today, just because price is bullish on the other time frames, but bearish on the higher ones. So I guess just waiting for the 4 hour to get in the same alignment with the daily and the weekly, and we could have avoided this loss. But anyways, back to the video now. All right, cool. So why do I say, as you guys saw in the trade, yeah, we lost that trade. But you know what? I'm at the point now where, okay, this funded account, this is my 7th funded account. I've had, because I've been trading, I got my first funded account April 7th, 2024. So a little over a year ago, I have blown 6 funded accounts. This is my 7th funded account. And I'm telling myself like, hey, this is the 7th funded account. Guy created the whole herb and everything in it in 7 days. He rested on the 7th day. 7 is a number of completion. I'm like, you know what? This is my 7th funded account. I'm going to be more careful. I'm going to be more diligent. And we're going to get a payout out of this funded account. But the way this, like, I've been following my trading plan. I've been staying disciplined, taking the trades. And the way it's going right now, hey, at this point, I don't care no more. Like, I'm risking 0.5%, which is $500 per trade. So I think the drawdown is at 94,000. So we got about 4 good trades that we can take. And if I get a good RR, risk to reward, if I get like a 1 to 4, and I risk 500, that's 2,000. So that's gonna bring up us. So our risk reward is gonna help us. But I just gotta find the right trades, right? And today's trade was actually a good trade. But why do I say it is similar to rain, right? So just like the trade, right? I come to the market, and as the market, I see, okay, cool. We're bearish on the weekly and daily. 4 hour, we're bullish. 1 hour, we're bullish. 30 minute, we're bullish. 15 minute, we're bullish. So we're most likely gonna push to the upside. Now, yes, the higher time frame is selling, but think about it. Gold is bullish, silver is bearish. Which one is pushing to the upside? Gold. So which one would I be more likely to follow? Gold. But gold wasn't given a clear setup. Silver gave a clear setup. So if you use cross spread correlation, I took the trade. Everything I needed was there. You know, made that order block, pulled back to it, pushed up. I went to a lower time frame, shift the structure, like my trading plan says. Sorry. I got to shift the structure, took the trade, stop loss at a good level, take profit. Obviously, that was a big take profit, but honestly, that was the next level for me to take profit at. So I was like, okay, cool. It's a 1 to 4, 1 to 5. I'm okay with that. Now, why is it similar to rain? This morning, when I woke up and I looked outside, I'm like, okay, it's gloomy. It's a little cloudy. It might rain today. I checked the weather. It said, okay, cool. It might rain today, later on in the day. Like, at 7, 8 p.m., right? This is at 6 a.m. I checked this. So I'm like, okay, cool. It's most likely gonna be cloudy and gloomy all day, right? And then eventually it's gonna rain at night. So I'm like, okay, cool. I have my raincoat with me, and I go to work. I'm chilling. I go outside. I see it's like low 50s, like 51, 52 degrees. The wind is blowing, right? It feels like it's gonna rain. It looks like it's gonna rain. It is going to rain, right? So I'm like, okay, cool. I have my rain jacket with me just in case it starts raining, and on the way home I have to put it on and stuff like that, right? Halfway through the day, I like lunch. I get out, bro. It is sunny. It is like 67, 68 degrees outside. It's hot. I don't even want to say humid, but it's hot. The sun is shining. The sun is bright. Now, guess what? If my friend has told me in the morning, hey, I bet you $10 that it's gonna rain today, or he asked me, hey, you want to bet $10 that it's not gonna rain? I'm gonna tell him, hey, it is gonna rain today because I looked at the weather. I went outside. It's gloomy and dark. The wind is blowing. It's low 50. Everything is giving me the signs that it's gonna rain. So I would have taken the bet and I would have lost $10. But that just goes to show you that trading, like, everything that I needed from the market, it did. It gave me the setup that I needed. Shift the structure on the lower top end. Took it, put my stop loss at a great level, take profit at an even level. As you can tell, we were in profit for a little bit, and then price came back, rejected me. I'm like, and then it started pulling back a little bit, retracing. I'm like, man. But that's trading. That's the name of the game, right? You gotta be able to take the risk. You gotta be comfortable with the risk that you take, right? You gotta accept the loss. Like when I take a trade, in my mind, I know I'm wrong until the market proves me right. Let me restate that again. When you take a trade in the markets, assume you are wrong until the market proves you right. So let's say I'm looking to buy, right? Cool, I would take the buy. In my mind, I'm assuming, okay, I'm probably wrong. Like, I'm most likely gonna get stopped out. I'm probably gonna lose this trade. until the market proves me right. I'm okay, cool. Now the market goes in my direction that I play. So if you take the trade with the mindset of, hey, this profit, I'm okay with losing this money. That's why I'm putting on the line. If I lose this $500, cool, I lost it. But based on my analysis and the research that I've done, most price is most likely to move to the upside. That's the gamble. You gotta be able to risk, trust your instincts, right? Trust your strategy, and know that you're doing the right thing, right? At the end of the day, trading is about following the rules. It's not. Trading is more about preserving capital and following your trading plan and avoiding the bad losses over taking the good trades, winning a lot of money, all that stuff. Yes, it's good to take the good trades. You should be trying to take the good trades, but it's more so avoiding the bad losses, avoiding the bad trades, right? And that's something that I'm still working on, that I'm still developing. And I just want to thank God for this opportunity this morning, right? I took a trade. I was in prep. I was like, okay, cool. It is what it is. It's a good setup. Like, I'm at the point now where I take a trade and I'm emotionless. Like, I take a trade and I don't care about it. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. I did my part, right? Which is come to the chart, analyze the chart, figure out what the market is going to do, what I think the market is going to do. I don't know what the market is doing. I'm taking a guess. I'm taking a risk. So I'm like, okay, cool. This. Oh, I didn't go. Okay, market's more likely to do this than this. Okay, cool. Take the trade. It is what it is. Same thing with when I saw that my rain today. Okay, I take my raincoat with me. I take my jacket with me. I know that, okay, in case it rains, right? All these signs are adding up that it's gonna rain. So I'm taking my rain jacket with me in case it rains. I don't know if it's gonna rain. Obviously, it hasn't rained yet, but it probably will rain soon. But yeah, that's just what I wanted to talk about, and I just want to say, talk to God, right? Before I traded this morning, I prayed. I was like, God, hey, I give this trading to you. Like, show me the good opportunities in the market. Let me see it clearly. Let me capitalize off these markets. So yeah, we lost, but it is what it is, right? We come to the market again tomorrow, and we keep doing it. Also, Wednesday, I'm going to be doing a live trading video. I'm going to show you what it really is like to trade. Like, I get up at 5:45. I sit on this computer until about 8 and looking at the chart, every single candlestick. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm probably going to speed forward it because most of the time it's just me sitting around. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment. And yeah, keep growing, keep developing, keep praying, keep talking to God, asking God for help, and He will be there for you. So you have a good one. God bless you.